Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Umar Qura Public School online classes. Hopefully you're fine and taking good care of yourself and your family. I already explained and repeating again and again in my each and every video that this is the time of pandemic, so you have to be or we have to be careful, and we should take care of ourselves and take proper medication precautions which are recommended by our doctors. So let's start our today's lecture. This is English literature lecture. Your textbook is sit now and topic the story of a river. If you remember that we have done reading and of half chapter and back exercise of half chapter yesterday. Now we will complete reading and back exercise of the chapter. So open your books and get ready. Let's begin. So if you remember, we have done reading here where the river became very sad. Big pipes with dirty water ran into it, and many buildings with old smoking chimneys stood on its bank. Now a river enters into a city, and it find out that there are many tall buildings with smoking chimneys stood on its bank, and there was dirty pipes water ran into it. I don't like this place, moaned the river. Moan, to express pain. To express pain. I am becoming very dirty, and people pay no attention to me. You know about that, as you can see in the picture, that there are so many factories or big buildings around on its bank, and usually our drain pipes goes to the river. So the old dirty water flows to the river and it becomes dirty, and people don't bother about it. The river flowed on and became wider and wider. Many large boats and steamers appeared, and the river was happy again. I am not be clean and pretty anymore, sighed the river. And the river was happy again. So what is the meaning of steamers? Steamers are ships or steamboats, steamships or steamboats. Now river became more wider, and there are so many steamers and big boats, as you can see in the picture. There are steamers and big boats on it's flowing on it. I may not be clean and pretty anymore, sighed the river. Sighed shows or expressing sadness. But I can see that I am now very useful, because many boats are on it. On went the river until it reached the dock. Here it began to get excited because of all the great ships. Dock is a place where ships came and sail from there. It is a place, you can say that it is parking of ships. So now turn the page. So this is called, as you can see here, there is a lighthouse ships over here. Everyone seemed to be very busy, and there was great hustle and bustle. It was grand sight to see many cargo ships and liners. Cargo ships which carry cargoes or luggage from one place to another. All kinds of food were being unloaded from the large cargo ship, food which had come from far lands across the sea. Now, as I told you, that cargo ship is all about luggage. It carries luggage from one place to another, and it may be food or it may be any kind of good. The liners which took people by sea from one country to another, ships which carry or took people from one country to another is called liner, were even bigger and more beautiful. No wonder the river was excited, happy. I shall never be able to carry such huge ship, cried the river. I am not strong enough. Then a wonderful thing happened. Suddenly the river met the sea and flowed into it. Now I can do it, shouted the river with joy. This is where I belong. This is why I could never stop. Now I am perfectly happy. So this was the story, that river is thinking that I won't be able to carry such huge ships because it is too big for me. But then a wonderful thing happened. Suddenly river met with the sea. This is the final destination where the river had to flow. Now it can understand why it wasn't stopping. It has to meet the sea to become bigger and give water to the sea as well. So this is the journey of a river. It starts from the spring. After that it becomes stream, and when other tributaries join it, it becomes much bigger. It gets wider and wider and become river. Through its way or journey to the sea, it passed through many villages, fields, and find out cattle, people cheering it and finding it wonderful. And it also passed a city where people are not taking good care of water, and at last it met to its sea. So this was the journey of the river. Hopefully you find it good, and if you had any kind of problem, obviously you can contact me. Now we will solve that exercise of this chapter, so wait for part B.